Hi, it's Tony, your Pop-Pop's Workshop. When you have a project where you think, I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to turn it into something better, sometimes that thing is unwieldy, it's large. So if you don't utilize it right away, it's going to take up space. And space is always, I don't know about your shop, but in my shop, it's always at a premium. I can't have it occupying space. You shove it in the garage, cars live there, space is at a premium. So what do? Well, today we're going to show you how we're going to temporarily put into use this item, and we'll adapt it over videos down the road to become something even better. But temporarily, we're going to put this thing into use so it's not in my shop or in my garage. Why don't you follow along and see how we do this? All right, here it is in all its glory. My son-in-law is able to come across these every once in a while, so he thought it might make a nice table for up on our deck. But there's a lot of modifying that we might want to do to it so it's eventually what we want it to become. But in the meantime, I don't want to store this in the shop. I don't want to store this in the garage. I'd like to put it into use right away. So I'm going to take a couple measurements and put 3 boards on here to give it a good footing, keep it up off the deck so this doesn't rot or the deck doesn't rot underneath of it. If these feet rot, I can replace them. But temporarily, I'm going to take some measurements, we're going to cut them, slap them on, put this in place, and see how it looks. That's pretty sufficient. Okay, that's a quick and simple and easy way to just get this project underway. Am I done? No, I gotta do something with this top. Haven't quite figured that out yet. With the hole coming through there, I kind of maybe envision a little little burner top thing there where you can make some s'mores on it. I don't know. There's lots of things can be done with this. We've just begun to scratch the surface. The important thing is I'm not storing it in the shop, I'm not storing it in the garage, and it is useful immediately. So a few boards cut in the shop, as you saw, screw them to the bottom. Big thanks to Montana Brands for this driver. The drill driver, the Woodworker's kit that they sent me, it has proven itself time and time again. This is a great product. If you don't have one, get one. I'll put a link in there. We've got a coupon code for a discount if you want to pick one up for yourself. The Makita stuff, I'm a Makita fanboy. I'm sorry, I love this stuff. The black is cool and the compact range, pristine. So yeah, it's all done. A big shout out to the Magic mic as well. I've been doing some tests to see how the ambience coming up with even the wind noise. I'm impressed for as little as we spent on this mic, and there was 2 of them in there. Check them out. I'll put a link in there. We don't have an affiliate link for them, but I'll put a link in the video description so you can kind of check that out as well. But yeah, all done. Hey, thanks again, guys, for following along and watching me do this quick and simple little project. I know it's not as drawn out as some of the other things we've done on YouTube, but sometimes a win is a win. This is a win for us. So hopefully you're having wins in the shop today. Again, thank you. We appreciate you taking your time to watch this video for us. If you think we've earned it, maybe give us a subscription or a like. You don't have to. Whatever happens, we're happy. Thanks for showing up. But as always, remember, you can do this.